Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set autopilot in your Tesla Model Y. To begin, ensure your vehicle is in drive. Locate the gear stalk on the right side of the steering column. Autopilot is designed to enhance your driving experience by providing assistance on highways and well-marked roads. Always remain attentive and ready to take control. This system is a driver assistance feature, not a fully autonomous driving solution. To engage traffic-aware cruise control, pull the gear stalk down once. This will maintain your set speed and a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead. For auto steer, which adds steering assistance, pull the stalk down twice in quick succession. You'll see a blue steering wheel icon on your display, indicating auto steer is active. Remember, your hands must remain on the steering wheel, and the system will prompt you if it detects otherwise. It's crucial to understand autopilot's limitations. While it assists with steering and speed, it does not make your car fully autonomous. The system may not always detect all objects, pedestrians, or react to complex traffic scenarios. Always keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Be prepared to take over immediately if the system disengages or encounters an unexpected situation. Your safety is paramount. For the best autopilot experience, always maintain a firm grip on the steering wheel and stay vigilant. Regularly check your mirrors and surroundings, just as you would with manual driving. Autopilot is a powerful tool, but it's your responsibility to ensure safe operation. If you're enjoying this guide, please give it a thumbs up. Also, for staying refreshed on your journeys, check out the Oala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.